functions of the public market. The Public Market Operations Office continuously focuses on two primary mandates: daily oversight, managing and monitoring the day-to-day operations of the public market to maintain an orderly environment for both vendors and consumers. Revenue collection, ensuring the efficient collection of banking impacts and other regulatory fees. Financial report. For the period covering January 2026 to May 2026, here is the breakdown of our total revenue collections. Monthly rentals, 3,328,726 pesos and 20 centavos. Other fees, 852,878 and 5 centavos. Slaughter fees, 411,566 pesos, for a grand total of 4,593,170 pesos and 85 centavos. Hindi na ko may katabang, ano na pa. Ug uban pang mga proyekto o serbisyo nga diet maghatag og kalagpuan sa kinatibuk-an sa atong lungsod sa Hilomas. The operations and maintenance to ensure a clean and welcoming environment, our market personnel have been actively deployed and assigned to handle the daily maintenance and both Hilomas Public Market and the B-side Commercial Center. That concludes my report for this morning. Thank you very much and have a productive day ahead. Angat ka, Hilomas nun.